Hello guys, my name's M. I'm talking to you crypticgains.com, trading EOT Pro indicators on the ES futures market, and today I made 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 winner for $175, and let's just get right into it. Alright, so here we are. Yesterday I told you guys that I was looking for the market to come down in price on my other video. Whoa. Let me just bring this up. Yesterday we had price just went sideways and the market came down to the bottom, which I thought after this rally right here that we were definitely going to see this shoot up and continue up, and put in a short-term base right here before we move lower eventually, but that did not happen. And yesterday after I saw this happen and I was buying and expecting this to come up, and this totally failed. I knew we would come down because this was the prime time to do that right after this rally. So if there wasn't enough buyers to push up these sellers, basically supply and demand was pushing us down, and that's exactly what happened after hours. We opened up and we went lower. So actually it kind of sucks because I did not wake up in time. My alarm didn't go off. I slept, and it really sucks because I was really looking forward to today. I knew today was going to be a very big day to the downside, and I completely missed the opening moves. Market opened here, and what happened was we got a long signal here. I did not take this. I was sleeping at the time, but I wouldn't have taken this anyway with what I've been seeing. First of all, second of all, this is in a downward trend. Definitely a psych out right here. And the market moved lower. Honestly, in my opinion, if I was seeing lower lows and lower highs on the bigger time frame, and I saw this come up and struggle upward, bars didn't even turn green here, and then totally fell, and we got arrows, I'd probably be taking these arrows because end of trend is telling you that we're looking for a new cycle anyway. So if these were zero profile bills arrows, I would have taken these. And put my stop right above here, trailed it down, wait till this peak up right here, maybe got out right here, even though if this time to hold on forever, I made a good amount of money as this market came down, just as we predicted yesterday. So one thing is that happened, and I didn't catch any of these moves. This one was a beautiful risk zero trade. It went short, and the first thing I would have done is put my stop here. As soon as this came down and pushed lower here, move my stop down here, track it down. The volume's still in your favor. No reason to get out. Market just it didn't even bounce on the support. Just went sideways and basically told you that that we want to go lower, and it did. Right when this came together here, looking to get out either at a double bottom of some sort, or just when this market is just pushing downwards as much as possible, just get out anywhere in this area. Would have made you a good chunk of change there. So that happened. The market then went up, gave you risk profile 0 here. First thing you did is put your stop back here, and you might have brought it to break even after it ran up this much, and might have stopped you out. So if not, then you would have waited for this breakout here, put a stop behind here, and then as soon as we started to really go, this market top out, looking to just trail up or get out on one of these peaks. So that's how the market went. My trades didn't happen until I came to the market around here, and I was looking for another move down. This one didn't really give me a kind of a double top what I was looking for to come down. I mean, there's this higher low off this, but even this showed a lot of strength in it, so I was kind of worried to really short in here, which it would have made me money, but that didn't happen. So things I noticed trading in the afternoon is that the market came up. It barely came up to these. It didn't come up, and it didn't try to fill its gap. It just went sideways, made a newer low, shot up again. It didn't break this. Big hint if you can't break this, and tried twice, nothing happened. This is definitely weak then. And then this comes down. As much as it did, I was really expecting it to bounce on one of these and then try to test and move forward again, move up. Again, that didn't happen. Told me we were weak. Got a low here. And, so what else I was expecting is this move to come down. So my trading came in. I'm looking for shorts because this retraced this much, then shot up, and I was really looking for this to shoot up a little bit more and see if we can have any strength in this market, and it didn't. It came right back down. and this was his last attempt right here. This is his last attempt. It's like, okay, I actually went long in this one. This is lost. I went long in this signal right here. I was like, okay, got a double bounce here. We got strength in the market. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go here. Last attempt. That failed. I took a small loss because I put this up and then I trailed right behind here. So I lost maybe about, I think I lost a little bit more than a point, about 5 ticks on slippage, and the market came back and it just hit this hammer again. And this is the last attempt. I knew this was over, so I'm looking for short signals to the downside. And what I got in at here, my stop above here, and I knew this. I was expecting this to break. It rallied against. I might have gotten out here if it wasn't for what I saw with this market. I might have trailed my stop and got out because of this green upward volume psych out. If it was in any other way, if it wasn't a big down day today and we didn't try to push up as many times as we did, I would have gotten out in here. I didn't, however, today because exactly what I just explained. I'm expecting this move to come down. We've touched this too many times. We've tried too many times to go to the upside, and I knew we had moved to the downside. So as soon as this broke, I was screaming for joy. I was really happy. I was like, all right, sweet. All these long orders of the day are just going to come out. With all the people trying to go long, it just fell apart, and I just trailed down. First thing I did is trail here. I sat back and I just watched it happen. And when the market started to came together, I put a trail behind here. I saw this come back once again, come back again. It didn't break this. When it didn't break this, I got out as soon as this came out into this candle, and I made good hefty profit there, and put me up. I forget, what did I say? 175 for the day total on these trades, and unfortunately that was actually a bigger loss than I thought. So tough patches, but that's trading for today. I wish I was up early. I would have been able to catch those 2 big profile zeros in the morning. This one, and I would have gotten on this one, and I would probably be up around $450 or so. But sometimes that's just how the market happens, or that's just life. So that's that for today. As for tomorrow, I'm expecting sideways action possibly. On the daily, we're breaking out. I mean, we're oversold, but in the downtrend, and that's what it's starting to look like on the dailies, that we're moving into a downtrend, and it's unfortunate, because I hope people are putting their longer term stuff on the sidelines, because this is definitely hefty. Let's see what we got. What kind of support lines we got. We still have this to worry about. We've come into it once. This is our first support. We've come into it again, and we came into it hard. This is very hard. Into it again. I could see sideways action, and then maybe fall apart after that. But this is definitely looking weak. So hopefully we don't come down too far. But we could next level is really around 800, 850. We'll see how that goes. So other than that, happy trading for everybody. I'll be posting a video tomorrow, hopefully, with some more gains to show you. Everyone take care. Again, this is M, gains.com.